What looks like.
What the fuck, dude? What the fuck is going on? It's just a long roar.
Yeah. That's why I said it was a thunderstorm, but
No, that's not normal.
considering you're 47, right?
Yeah, I've
You're
never
saying it's not?
I've never seen this at all ever. That's too rapid. There's no way that. Yo, what the fuck, dude? People are going crazy and shit.
Camera failed. Uh-oh. There's a just a few water.
Yo, JJ, I don't know what the fuck this is, man. I'm scared. I've never seen, dude, what the fuck? The only time I've seen one of these was when there's actual stabbers coming down.
I still
I've
think
never-
this is pretty cool, though. I mean,
Well,
it's scary.